Listen, Mark. If you want my advice, go to this dance of yours tonight and forget about saving the world for a while. Everything's gonna be fine. You and Ace are heroes, and Lord Fear can't win this game.
I hate to tell you, Pete, but I think he already has.
Behold, the Amulet of Zor, the source of all strength and the instrument of Ace Lightning's demise.
Yes, yes, oh, yes! Hooray!
Even as I speak, his power withers. And soon we shall crush him and grind his pitiful lightning knights to dust. Then nothing can stop us from enslaving these mortals and destroying their worthless world for all eternity. Now come. Come, my evil minions. Our moment of glory beckons.
Out of my way!
It's hard to take a stand. It's hard to do what's right. No matter how scared you are, you have to stand and fight. And we don't have to play this game all alone, 'cause there's a hero. There's a hero in us all. It wakes a hero in us all.
Hey, Jessica. May I have this dance? Hey, Jess. You want to dance? Hey, baby. Dance with me. Hey, baby. Dance with me.
Chuck,
Hey!
your mum let me in.
Just practicing my moves. Gotta look good for my lady friend.
Oh, yeah, the dance. Look, Chuck, if Lord Fear had the amulet, where would he hide it?
It depends what level you're on. I'm still stuck at level 5, and I've been trying to find that sucker for weeks.
You mean you've never actually won the game?
Nobody has. Not at your level. Well, there was this kid in Hamburg, Germany, played Ace Lightning for 73 hours straight.
Chuck, it's very important I find the amulet.
Dude, even I know. It's just a game.
I wish.
Look, if you really can't take losing, you can just delete it from your hard drive.
Delete it.
Everything disappears. Your past games, the setup program, all the character files.
Character files.
Yeah, you want to get rid of Ace Lightning? Just hit delete and he's gone, along with Lord Fear and everyone else. But I play the game every day. Ace Lightning's like a part of my life.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Random virus! Show yourself! Random, wait! We need you.
You need me because you're weak.
No offense, Platehead, but you don't look so hot.
Why is this happening to me? I'm not weak. I'm strong.
We're all losing power, you dumb lug nut. As long as Lord Fear has the amulet.
No!
Don't waste your energy. Save it for Lord Fear. If we stay together, we might have a chance.
Spare me your whimpering. I fight alone. You are the frightened weaklings. I am the strong one. I'll crush you both in my claw like rotten melons.
Whoa, get a life, man. Got any other bright ideas?
Just one. I'm going to find Mark. We could have used you, Random. Once upon a time, you were a great lightning knight.
Lightning Knight.
least I didn't break the window.
Forget about the window. Are you all right?
I'm having a bad day, kid. Let's just leave it at that. So, you ready for the ultimate rumble?
I got a dance tonight, Ace.
Dance, rumble, whatever you want to call it. As long as you're ready to face Lord Fear.
What are you fighting him for? Why don't you just forget the entire thing?
Look, kid, some things are worth fighting for, and this is one of them. Fear is evil. Good has to triumph over evil.
Maybe where you come from. But this is the real world.
Speak English, kid. What are you talking about?
Ace, there's something I have to tell you. You're not from the 6th dimension. There is no 6th dimension. You're from a game. Computer game.
A game? No, I don't have time for games. We are talking about the end of the world here, and it's all going down tonight at the Carnival of Doom. With or without you, kid. It's your call.
But Ace, you don't understand. If you go back inside that game, I'll never see you again.
Escape! And we'll catch Dum Dum and break him into tiny pieces!
That won't be necessary, my massive minion. His usefulness is over. Come. We must prepare for the final battle with lightning.
Where is she, Chuck? She gonna show her what? Don't sweat it, amigo. She's only, 272 seconds late.
Well, maybe she's inside.
Yeah. That's it. She was waiting for me. By the snack table.
Alright, you guys go ahead. I'll catch up. I'll just wait here, just in case she turns up.
Thanks, bro. You the man.
Hold it, Hollander. You're not gonna pull the old disappearing act.
No, I'll be here. I promise.
It's all right, I came alone.
What are you doing here?
Lord Fear's gone off his rocker. He's talking about taking over the world. Our world. Now, you gotta do something about it.
Me?
Yeah, you. You're the only other person that knows about him. Now, the way I see it, you got us into this mess. You gotta get us out. Well, this is as far as I go. Hey, kid. Good luck.
Thanks. I'll need it.
Jessica! Never mind.
Feel like dancing?
Sure. Don't worry, Heather. He'll be here soon.
He'd better be.
Where's Mark? I thought he'd be here.
Face it, Ace. The kid's not gonna show. It's just the two of us.
Correction. Huh? There's 3 lightning nights. You think I'd miss the final battle? Why should you two have all the fun?
That's good enough for me. You're with us, Random.
Let's rock.
Do me a favor. Stop breathing on me.
Oh, why the long face, my lady? After all, your lover boy is already as good as dead.
Why, you toadying totem.
You'll pay for this. After we get rid of Lightning, you'll be next.
Boss! Boss!
What?
We've got company.
Let's welcome our guests to their nightmare.
Maybe I told her the wrong day. Or the wrong time. Maybe she came here yesterday. Who am I kidding, Mrs. Kutcher? Let's face it. The mighty Chucky struck out.
Oh, Chucky. Never give up hope.
Cookie?
Don't you even think about it. These cookies are for the students. Chucky?
Mind taking a break? I feel kind of sorry for Heather.
Mark didn't show, huh?
This time he's crossed the line. Come on, Heather. Maybe it was something really important.
You're not actually defending him, are you? After he treated you, and now me?
She's got a point, Sam.
Besides, what could be more important than this?
Googler's got the girly!
Does the word loser mean anything to you?
Is everybody happy?
Where is it? Where would he hide the amulet?
Is it just me? Or are they totally kicking our butts?
I'd say that's an understatement.
Whoa! Our power's crashing!
I hope this doesn't put a drain on our relationship. So long, Sparks. Now I'll have Ace all to myself.
I don't know how, but I gotta win this game. Okay, come on. Yes!
I grow tired of this battle. Let's skip the song and cut to the dance.
I didn't know you were into martial arts movies.
Yeah, Bruce Lee rules.
The classics are cool. But you should check out the new stuff. Did you see that last Jackie Chan flick?
Yeah, like 3 times.
I saw it 5 times.
No, you didn't.
Hey, Chad. Sorry your date didn't make it.
That's okay. I should have known it was too good to be true. At least the food's sweet.
many times have I told you to stay away from my cookies?
I can't!
Mrs. Kutcher, I have a confession to make. I find your cookies utterly irresistible. Crunchy on the outside, soft and warm on the inside.
Utterly irresistible? Oh, Mr. Chesborough.
It's true, Mrs. Kutcher. All of it.
Oh, please, call me Nettie.
No.
Game over. You lose. This world is mine.
I gotta delete you. Sorry, Ace.
This world is mine. Lord Fear reigns supreme. You're finished, Lightning. My revenge is nearly complete.
It's the organ. It's the music. It's been the music all along. If I can just play the right notes, I'll win the level.
No, not Ace.
Since when do you care what happens to this simpering superhero scum?
That's for all the times you called me a worthless mortal, you worthless villain!
How dare you!
That's it.
What is happening to me?
It's been real, Fear. Give my regards to the 6th dimension.
No, it's not possible. Lady Illusion, save me. I'm begging you. Please.
Not this time.
Mutiny. I had the world in the palm of my hands, and you ruined it. You and your scrawny sidekick. This isn't over, Lightning. I'll see you in the next dimension.
Sparks, where's Ace?
Over there.
Something tells me we'll meet again.
You'll get over her, Ace. Anyway, she wasn't your type.
Hey, don't you have a dance of your own, kid?
Forget it. It's too late.
Haven't you learned anything? Heroes never give up, and it's never too late to be a hero. Now, why don't you get to that dance of yours?
Right. I'm on my way.
Oh, Mark! What were you trying to tell me back at your house? Something about the 6th dimension?
Never mind. It doesn't matter now.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Okay, kid. But just remember, do right.
And fear not.
didn't notice. Anyway, it was worth it. You look beautiful.
Thanks.
Guess I really messed things up with Heather. It's just that...
Mark, you don't have to explain.
Well, that's it, Sam. I'm turning over a new leaf. From now on, you're going to see the new and improved Mark.
Really? Well, that's too bad, because I kind of like the old Mark.
What?
Who made friends with Chuck when nobody else would? Who stood up to Wayne? Who put Mr. Chesbro in his place and convinced him to have the dance?
Well, I was just
doing the right thing. And you're doing something else. Actually, my favorite part of all. You're being my friend. And that's what makes you my hero.
Well, Pete, that's the story. We won the game. For now. Who knows what'll happen next? After all, life's just a game, right? At least now I've got friends to play it with.